doing? This is Frank from Camp Kayak Adventures. It's second week in April 2022, and we've got a bunch of sites booked already. And so this weekend we're probably going to cover our trailer and get it ready for first camping in May. So as well as uncovering the trailer, we'll have to, we've got tires and rims for it. We bought new ones. I'll show you them later, and we'll put them on. Also, we are gonna have to clean it and do some dewinterizing, test everything, the fridge, the AC, the water heater, make sure everything's working before we get it on the road. Also, so our 6 trips are Balsam Lake, Wenda, Finlayson, Samuel de Champlain, Emily, and Lake St. Peter. So Balsam Lake, which is our first trip, is about it's only about 30 minutes from here, so it'll be an easy 2 nights. I think it's 2 or 3 nights. And then we're doing a Wenda, which we've been to a few times. Never filmed there, so it'll be the first time. Then we're doing Finlayson Point, which is we've been there on a day trip, never actually camped there. And then Samuel de Champlain, and then Emily, and Lake St. Peter, which we've been to on a day trip while we were staying at Silent Lake. So we got site 27, which we tried to book earlier in the season, but didn't have much luck. So it's supposed to be a waterfront site, so we'll see when we get there how good the water access is. So these are the tires and rims we bought. Replace our old, our white rims that are on there now. These are Maxxis M8008s, and those are good tires. We were looking at getting Goodyear Endurance, but we just couldn't find anywhere that had them in stock when we were buying these. And these were, according to reviews, were a close second. So we're hoping they're good tires, and I'll throw them on probably in a week or so. Thanks for watching our video, and please subscribe, like, and hit the notification button for future video notifications. And thank you.